Hello guys, this is Saksham Sharma and welcome to Crown Review or Crown App Review or Crown Software Review. So what Crown is all about? Let me show you. Uh, Crown, the world's first robotic Facebook app gets you free buyer traffic in 60 seconds. So basically, Crown is a Facebook automation tool, and if you're interested in traffic or interested in free traffic, this software is for you because Crown helps you get the buyer traffic of Facebook. It takes the traffic from the Facebook marketplace. So the people that comes to Facebook marketplace are the people who come to buy. So let me show you the members area of the Crown. So here is the members area of the Crown. This is the dashboard, and you can see from here you can see all the analytics, total videos, completed posts, pending posts, and here you can see the graph, campaign versus traffic. And on my left hand you can see there is a training part uh, where you can attend all the training how to use Crown. So here's the video, you can watch it. So the next thing is add Facebook accounts, and this is quite self-explanatory that from here you can add your Facebook account. The next thing is video creator. From here you can create video for Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Story, Facebook Video, create video for Facebook Video using our collection of templates. So basically you get templates which you can use to uh, create videos to get the Facebook Marketplace traffic, Facebook feed, Facebook ad, create video for Facebook ad using our collection of templates, Facebook write columns. So you get all these collection of templates for different categories, for marketplace, for Facebook story, etc, etc. And from here you can create videos, created videos. From clicking here you can create your video. uh, so let me show you the main feature of the Crown. This is it, Facebook Marketplace listing. So here you can uh, see, and you can add products here, and you can cost whatever you want, and you can bring the traffic of Facebook Marketplace here. You can add your listing here, and you can see here is Apple iPad Pro. So you can add your listing from here. So the next thing is Facebook posting. You can see you get multiple option, multimedia post. You can create your campaign here, CTA post, call to action post, carousel, video post, auto populating post from RSS feed. So from here you can import your Facebook accounts, and you can create your post here. Basically it's a automation Facebook tool. So it automate all the process of Facebook, uh, so it can bring the free traffic of Facebook Marketplace. So here is the mark comment automation, and let me show you. So again from here you can create a template, and what this feature can help you is that you can create a template and it will automatically reply to all the comments. It's a by default comment. It will provide you the link, and it will comment back whatever you decided. So here is reply template, automation campaign. You can see here the reports. So The next thing is subscriber manager. So here is sync subscriber, bot subscriber, labeled and tags. So basically you can use here Facebook as well as the messenger. You get both the features here, and you can get all the messenger subscribers. And yeah, next thing is messenger bot. So here you get multiple options: board setting, post back manager, OTN post back manager, whitelisted domains, messenger engagement, save templates. So again, it provides services for messenger uh, as well as Facebook. The next thing is broadcasting. So basically by this feature you can gather the list of subscribers in your Crown account, and you can communicate and send messages to all those subscribers by this tool, messenger broadcasting. So the next thing is e-commerce automation. uh, so this tool is not for everyone. This basically is for the people uh, who are interested, who have e-commerce store, so they can create their e-commerce, they can add their e-commerce store here and can bring the Facebook marketplace traffic here. The next thing is TurboCart. TurboCart is again a plugin feature for it's a WooCommerce WooCommerce plugin. So it's again the feature for e-commerce store owners. So if you have e-commerce store, you can use this. You can create your plugin and add, and it will automatically run in your store. So that's it. Others are upgrades that I will show you. Uh, so let me first show you the bonuses that you will get if you choose to buy through my link, and the my link is in the description. So let me show you all the bonuses that you will get. So bonus number one is hack number one is Facebook advertising and retargeting masterclass. So you will basically learn how you can use Facebook advertisement and how you can retarget those audience uh, to bring traffic and to get traffic to all the people, very targeted audience, and you can make them to purchase your services and offers. So here is the complete guide. This is my bonus number one. Bonus number two is case study, how I made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook group. So it's a complete guide, it's a case study, so you can watch the video and learn how you can also model that and can earn money from Facebook group. So this is my bonus number two. Bonus number three is effortless FB profits. Is again a course where I will show you how you can earn from Facebook. And other than Crown, you will get the traffic from Crown, but I will show you how you can uh, earn from your Facebook traffic. So this is my bonus number three, effortless FB profits. And my bonus number four is a product by Jono Armstrong, the Lost Code. Jono Armstrong used to sell it, and it's one of the best selling courses. And you will get this course completely free of cost as a my bonus number four. Uh, this is the bonus number four, and the last bonus is all the vendor bonuses, and these are the bonuses that vendor provided me. So you will get all these bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses uh, by clicking uh, any of these button. You can click on any of these green buttons, and you will reach to this sales page where you can read this sales page. It's a long sales page, so I will not read it for you, otherwise this video will become too long. So you can read it on your own pace by clicking on any of this green button, and you will reach this page by clicking in my description. You will get this bonus page, and after that you can click on any of these green buttons, and you will reach this sales page, and you can read the sales page, and you can buy it from here. You buy it from here, and you will get all the bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses. So let me show you the cost of the crown, how much it going to cost you, and all the upsells. So the front end cost you $17, and let me show you all the upsells and what this all about. So front end is the world's first robotic Facebook marketing app lets your customer leverage Facebook to drive unlimited free buyers traffic. So this is front end. You get unlimited free buyers traffic. Upsell number 1 is Crown Unlimited Edition. The Unlimited Edition of Crown has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, and it also comes with additional tutorials. So this is the upsell number 1, and it will cost you $39. Upsell number 2 is Done For You Edition. It will cost you $197. In this upgrade, our teams aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. So in this, their team will deliver done for you traffic and sales for you, and it will cost you $197. It's a premium service with a premium price, so it's understandable. The upsell number 3 is Traffic Masterclass Series. It will cost you $297. Your customer will get to learn various different types of paid traffic sources, including Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Google ads, on a live 6-week program. So it's a great masterclass where you learn all the paid ads, and also you will learn Facebook ads and retargeting in one of my bonuses. But if you want to learn all kind of major paid ads platform, you can purchase it. Upsell number 3. And upsell number 4 is Crown Automated Edition. It will cost you $39. Your customer will be able to activate all the automation tools with Crown. And the last upsell is Crown Luxury Edition. It will cost you $197, and we actually set up a funnel for your customers on their hosting with their accounts, so they can build a list and make money. So basically, by this upsell, you do not need to do any work. They will do all the work. They will set funnel for you on your hosting with your accounts, so you can build a list and make money. So you do not need to do any work with this upsell. They will set all the funnel for you. Not only is the funnel completely set up for them, but we also include a autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails added, and additional traffic tutorials. So you will get all the help. You will get autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails added, so you don't write emails. You will get follow-up emails as well as the additional traffic tutorials. So that's it. And here are some additional benefits: the unlimited Facebook marketing tool, dozen of high quality features, drag and drop video and image creator, tap into the largest online platforms, unlock endless traffic, leads and sales, the most a powerful organic traffic app. And one of the features that make it different from any other courses or any other software is that it's a no question asked 365 days money back guarantee. So guys, let me show you in on sales page as well, so you can believe this. uh, yeah, here it is. So you can see it's a iron cast 365 days money back guarantee, and if you don't get results, they will also return you $500 uh, here it is. We refund you uh, further $500 for wasting your time. So if it doesn't work for you, you can get a refund within 365 days, within a year, uh, and they will return you with $500 for wasting your time. So it's a no-brainer. It's a great software, and it will come with all the trainings, and it will automate all the work for you. And you can use the Facebook Marketplace traffic to earn the money and promote your offers. So that's it. These are all my bonuses, and you can watch at your own pace by clicking on the link in my description. And after you purchase it, uh, go to your Warrior Plus and click on your profile and go to purchase history. And after that, you will see a page like this, and it will show you thank you for your purchase. Then you will see a blue button like this. Then you will click here, and you will get all the bonuses that I am showing you here. You get access to all these bonuses immediately after the purchase. So you can look at all these offers. These are the exclusive offers. These are not the offers that anybody else is promoting. So you will get all this Facebook training and Facebook advertisement training, and how you can earn from Facebook group, and how you can earn Facebook profits. There's other way that you can earn from Facebook, and the course by John Armstrong, the Lost Code, and all the vendor bonuses. You will get all these uh, by just purchasing the front end that will cost you $17, and you will get immediate access, and you also get 365 days of money back guarantee. So it's a no brainer. If you don't like it, you do not need to do anything. You just email them and you can get a refund. But it's a great course and great software. So that's it for today, and I hope you will like this video. And if you like this video, please like it, and please subscribe my channel, and see you soon. Thank you.